All right, here we go. Got ourselves a group break platinum baseball hit parade. It's a random card break, so we got to open it up, and then we'll get to it. We got none of the regular. Yeah, no problem at all. Alright, here we go. Do we know where the regular cutters went? Not a fan of this one. That could do some serious damage. Alright. Box 146. How about a little Gypsy Queen Aaron Judge on card auto rookie? There we go. Nice stuff right there. I feel like this knife is like way over the top for what we need. This was box 4. Oh, alright. That's a good one to follow up. How about Chris Bryant, 9.5/10. You got a 10 surface, 9.5 corners, edges, and centering. 33 of 75. Very nice. On card Bryant, on card Judge.
Gypsy Queen too.
I know. The Queen. The Queen is here. And now, how about a 1 of 25 Chris Bryant? 1 of 25. Yeah, it's Leaf. 2013 Leaf. 1 of 25. This is box 321. How about a Nolan Ryan auto? Good old Nolan. 48 of 400. How about a Aaron Judge Leaf Draft auto? Leaf, not number. Nope. Leaf Draft Aaron Judge. Card or box 95. Let's just keep it going. How about another Aaron Judge? Aaron Judge on card Inception. Ooh, well, this is fun. How about a Joe DiMaggio auto? This is a reprint of an old card from 1985. It's PSA DNA certified. Joe DiMaggio. Very cool. Why not? He played baseball. $2.99 of 400 box number right there. I didn't want to open up nice. There we go. Duel Bryce Harper and Lucas Giolito. Both on card 3 of 25. Stacked box going on right here. Harper Giolito out of 25 dual auto. 204 400. And we have a Hank Aaron Sports Heroes auto. 221 of 400. Ooh. 5-star, 4-piece signature booklet. That's Cal Ripken Jr. out of 50. Ooh, there we go. Whole card in there. There we go. All right. Let's take a look-see right here. All right. Five, 7 times. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. And we'll take all the cards. 4, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, the Chris Bryant graded 9.5 is going to Kevin B. Pedro, you got the Nolan Ryan, the DiMaggio, and the Aaron. Aaron Judge Leaf draft is going to Jonathan C. The Bryant 1 of 25 Leaf, I believe that rise was Derek T. The dual Harper Giolito and the Ripken book are going to Pedro as well. The Aaron Judge Gypsy Queen rookie is going to Nicholas J. And the Aaron Judge Inception is going to Scott B. And just like that, the break is done. We got a personal break coming right on up. We'll be right back.